Say goodbye to manual card swapping and hello to seamless studio workflow. Today, we're diving deep into connecting your Sony A1 for tethered shooting, a game-changer for any studio photographer. First, let's identify the correct port on your Sony A1. You'll find a USB Type-A port. This is the port we'll be using for our tethering connection. Carefully take your high-quality tethering cable. I recommend a USB 30 or faster Type-A cable for optimal speed, and plug it firmly into the camera's USB Type-A port. Ensure it's seated securely, then connect the other end of the cable to a compatible USB port on your computer. Next, you'll need your tethering software. Sony's Imaging Edge Desktop is a fantastic free option. Launch the application. Your software should automatically detect the camera. You might see a connection confirmation, and often, a live preview of what the camera sees will appear on your screen. With this connection established, you can now transfer images directly to your computer as you shoot, review them instantly on a larger screen, and even make adjustments in real time. This not only speeds up your workflow immensely, it also allows for immediate feedback, ensuring you nail every shot from the first click. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Sony A1 for tethered shooting, perfect for studio portraits, product photography, and anything that benefits from a streamlined workflow.